Our business for our needs. Process automation of operations. Welcome. As we apply agentic AI to business processes and integrate other AI types for integrated services, we need to assure processes. Thank you for your time. Let's get into it. Approach to automation of process. To use AI to automate process, we need to have define the process and its deliverables, being able to manage the process, establish the operation of a process, manage the dependencies within and for a process. If AI leadership can apply the known for robotics and other processes, what is stopping the AI leadership for knowledge worker services? Automating processes with AI. When robotics are applied to manufacturing processes and to automate operations, the AI leadership understood the need for process improvement before automation, resolution of error handling faster and at scale, assurance frameworks with management and governance, applied dynamic process management to outcomes, and the increased role of the human factor. Our service and operations teams know this as well. Thank you. Let's be sure we get the AI leadership we want, need, and deserve.